Hey students, today we are creating a project called text to speech. I want my Python program to read a text file for me and save that file as a mp3 file in the folder. Here I have the file available. Farhan.txt, and it says hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you, hope you are fine too. So I just want my Python program to read this file for me. Okay, so for that just open your PyCharm. To save time I already have written the code for me, so just copy this code and paste it here. This code is available on concepts.pk. You can download it for free. So just one thing you need to do is install this package, Py python text to speech. So for that write this command pip install pyttsx3 and press enter. In my PC it is already installed, so there you go, it is installed. So now just run this program and see what it does. Here I have opened that txt file for han.txt, this one, as f. So I'm saving this file in this variable and just passing this variable into this function, and when I call this function it will go here and it will save this file and it will wait until it is completed. After that it will save this file as an farhan.mp3. okay, so there farhan.mp3 file will be generated here. So let's run this code and check.
Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Hope you are fine too.
So the code finished with zero error, and here farhan.mp3 file is generated. Let's check this file as same wording that was in the text file. For that go to your folder and open this file.
Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Hope you are fine too.
So it successfully converted my text file into mp3 file and it read this file for me. So you can download all the materials and other Python projects on concepts.pk, and you can use wherever you want, just to make some application, do some interactive things to learn Python, or to use it in your semester project. If you want my help, my number is available on that website. So thank you.